Hey guys, my name's Jordan and today I'll be showing you guys how I take this old wash and go and put it into a puff, so stay tuned. Alright, so in today's video I'll be using my spray bottle, some Eco Styler gel, a brush, toothbrush, and a knee-high or stocking, whatever you would like to call it. I took a stocking and cut it. Leave me a comment down below if you would like to see a video on how I make this. And it's stretched out, I'm sorry. But yeah. Alright, so first, you're gonna take your water bottle. You wanna spray your edges. You do not want to use that type of brush on your hair and it's not wet. I mean, you really don't want to use that brush at all. I don't use that brush at all, except for this. But especially when using that brush, you want to make sure your hair is wet. So I just spray the perimeter first. Okay. Fluff a little bit. Right. Then I'm gonna take some of the gel. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm not a fan of that gel. I like the green olive. What is that? Olive oil one? I like that one. This one, nah, it's a no for me. I'm just trying to use it up. That's why I use it to put my puffs up, because, yeah, nah. All right, then you're gonna take the brush. Just smooth it on down. Brush all the way around. You wanna make sure you get the back. Take my knee high. Goofy, don't mind me. Put it above your ears on both sides. Okay. Center it. Okay. Then I like to push it up in the back first, and then pull and tug. Oh, hand slippery. Pull and tug till you get it how you like it, like that. It's cool. And you just want to tie it in the back. Okay. And then tuck it and hide it, hide the ends. Ooh, y'all thought I broke my nail, I was gonna be mad. Okay, and then just tuck it again. You just wanna hide it, it really don't matter how you tuck it. Fluff to your liking. Now, you want to take your toothbrush and do them edges. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.